All right, I'm going to try to share a little quick video on how to initiate and schedule a Zoom chat. You can see I'm in one of my teams. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click the Zoom button, and then I'm going to schedule a meeting. When the meeting scheduler comes up, I'm going to fill out all the appropriate things and then save. So I want to schedule a Zoom meeting. We're just going to take all this default stuff, and you can add rooms or anything else, and I'm just going to save it. And when I save, again, you can change your date and time, when it starts, when it ends, and then you have Zoom, and now there's a Zoom meeting that's scheduled here. Now, people can accept or decline the meeting. They can go to the meeting. You can save this link, and then you can drop this link in other classes if you have the same class, and you can all 2 or 3 of your classes, like the same level class, can all be in the same chat at the same time. If this is how you want to do your office hours, you can create that Zoom chat for that period of time, sit in front of your computer and let people drop in by dropping this linky link right here. Should allow everybody in there. All right, I hope that works for you.